side. Okay, hi, my name is Sergey Savastyuk, and today I'm going to be talking about our new features in uncovering trending stocks. Okay, and the first thing first, we show you our legal information, which you can find on our website. And here is the agenda for today. First of all, you can join Tickeron on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter for free daily signals. Then today I'm going to be talking about the new feature in finding trends in the home watch list. It's kind of interesting feature. Then I will show how to find trends in our daily buy-sell signals in the groups. And also I will show you how to find trends in the iScreener and trends in the trend prediction engines. Okay, so today is all about trends. Why trends are important? Because, boom, ships like to move in curves. That's an important statement because if we have a really group trend, we can identify group trend, then we know these things kind of moving all together, okay? And that's the reason for defining group trends, stock trends. It is a very, very a friendly environment when you really understand the trends, okay? So now, let's start from the new feature in the home watch list. We have here a watch list. It's a home watch list. You click home, then you see home watch list. It is your home watch list. And in this case, it's mine. And the main feature here is here at the last column. Some time ago in April 17, 2025, I placed it in my home watch list. It is KLA10 core, and boom, it's 92%. 175%, it's a Goldman Sachs since May 16, 2023. So you see, so when you place it, it's kind of ups, down, but overall, JP Morgan only 5%, 154% as well. Sparga, you see, it's been placed some time ago. It's a kind of a diary. And what you can do is to actually use this bell. I hope you see my mouse. You click here, and then when you at any place on our website, kind of activate buy, sell signals, you're gonna get interesting reports, analysis, and technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and everything else. Then press the save, then this become yellow, okay? So what is the new feature? New feature is right here, trending stocks. So our AI is actually close to the market. And as you can see, these ones are what? Are the black ones, right? So when you click it here, then as you can see, it's everything is empty. I will gonna do click here and here, get me buy and sell signals in email and dividend reports, for instance, right? Or blogs, for instance, right? So I save. Okay, so now it becomes yellow. And then, as you can see, immediately it gets to your whole watch list. Okay, so that's how it works. From trending stocks, which we control as a list, you can actually place it to your home watch list. Okay, so let's look when we started that. We started it actually only recently. The first we kind of introduced this list. As you can see, Rocket Lab was placed on December 9th. This is the first day when we launched that list, okay? And it's up 4% for a week, okay? when the market is, let's look, so the market for a week is down 1.7%. And let's compare that for about a week. It is plus 4%, plus 5%. Palantir, it's very volatile stock, but it's only minus 1.1. And as you can see, this one is a plus. So that means, you see, it's not a bad rate when we suggest to you in this list, and you can transfer that to your own watch list and then continue to monitor, okay? So when you see here option expiration, what it means tomorrow. We do not recommend to trade because it's going to be very uncertain. It is option expiration day, typically the third Friday of the month. So it's going to be tomorrow. Today is Thursday. So that means we do not advise to do anything that says option expiration. Okay. So that's what it is. So the next thing is daily buy sell signals groups. Okay. In groups. So what you can do is here. Okay. Daily buy sell signals groups. So you click here. Okay. And now you can analyze the group, okay? So you can place here, you see, it is preset, Netflix, Apple, so you can remove, for instance, one. You can add one. Or you can place here a group, let's say gold, right? Boom, gold, 29 stocks, boom. And then it gives you the direction. You see gold being really good for quite some time, but now it is really 50-50, kind of looking down for a while, okay? And it gives you some comparison of the volume, buy and sell volume. So that's the second feature, quite important. You can use it, okay? And the third one is in Screener, okay? So how to get it in Screener? You go to Screener, Screener Home, and one of my best feature in the Screener is here, Group Trends, okay? So boom. So what we see here, specialty insurance, 16 stocks, and you see all of them hold because the expiration. So we really do not advise to you to do anything tomorrow on Friday. As you can see, this is a green, 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 green. What is that? It is 1 year of green, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, 1 week, and 1 day. It's all green. So that means specialty insurance is a kind of a trending group. So if you want to bet, then it could be a good opportunity to look at that. Okay. So what else is quite interesting? You see, it's also property casualty insurance. See, for whatever reason, insurance is green all over periods. Okay. So this is the third opportunity to learn. And then what you can do with that, you can do anything. You can click here. This blue field is activated. You can transfer it to the scanner for tomorrow trading. But even though we do not advise you to trade on Friday, and you can move it to the screen, analyze more, and move to any other module on our website. Okay. So what else is the trend prediction engine? Trend prediction engine is a really cool thing. You can find it here in a do-it-yourself territory. And it is here, trend prediction engine. Here, boom. And as you can see, here is a lot of presets for the simplified search. For advanced search, you can have lists. So for instance, Dow Jones, you click here. This is all Dow Jones tickers. And then you can see whether or not there are chances of a trend continuation for the week, for a month. And you can take these ones and move it to, let's say, scorecards. That's where you can analyze that as a group. which I just showed you. You see, these stocks right back as a group. So we moved right back, and then you can see how it's doing. Okay, so that ends my presentation, and hopefully it's short enough, sweet enough. We have right now Christmas sale going on, the best prices of the year. Please come to us and enjoy trading. Okay, and we'll finish the presentation, and good luck and goodbye.